Today, we are making a gluten-free bread with 7 ingredients. Here are the things that you need. 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters olive oil. 2 cups or 480 milliliter lukewarm water. 1 Bob's Red Mill gluten-free bread mix. 2 eggs. Some salt. Walnuts. Cranberries. Let's begin. Here's the most important part of our bread, the bread mix. I use this brand from Amazon, not sponsored or anything, but I will put the link in the description. I have tried a bunch. This was the one I found most consistent and good value for the price. Sure, yeah, if you want to buy GF bread from some stores, you can. And it's not any less money to make it at home. However, nowadays you can never be sure what preservatives companies are putting to the stuff we purchase outside. Yeah, sure, I am not making my own flour, but I am reducing outsourcing on my bread as much as possible, because food that contains flour and sugar makes me bloat so bad. Once you start eating this, you will never want to go back to store-made breads. Back to bread making. Very simple. First, we pour our olive oil into a big cup, and then warm water, and eggs, and some salt. In most recipes, it's recommended to use 1 egg and 3 egg whites, but I just don't know what to do with the remaining egg yolks, so I just use 2 eggs instead. Works just fine. Then we start stirring until foam is visible. If you don't have a mixer, you can mix by hand, but it takes longer. Now we can pour the bread mix too. After that, put the yeast on top of the bread mix and make sure no liquid touches the yeast. Mix a bit more. And depending on your preference, add walnuts and berries too. I love walnut bread. I know it looks like we are making a cookie, but it will be a non-bloating, healthy bread. This will end up a 2-pound bread. And then mix until everything is mixed evenly. Now let the mixture settle for about minimum 45 minutes. The more it waits, the better. I prefer to wait overnight to achieve maximum taste and puffiness. Thud, very fluffy, isn't it? The next step is getting our oven preheat to 350 degrees. Now we can place this on our oven tray for about 45 to 60 minutes. And there you go. Your awesome, healthy, gluten-free walnut berry bread is ready to be enjoyed without getting bloated. Enjoy!